How to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube and make sure to sign into your accounts. Simply navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap gear icon at top right. Now under account, select general option. Look for the option of appearance. A pop-up message appears where you see three options on the menu: use device theme, light theme, and dark theme. Currently it has been set to light theme. In order to turn on dark mode on YouTube app, tap on dark theme. And you can see that we have successfully turned on dark mode on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.